Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Vinted website. I'll be explaining to you how can you return an item on Vinted and how can you file for a refund. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up Vinted on your web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your preferred profile. Now, to start with the process, you will have to get into the conversation screen with your seller no later than 2 days from being notified that your item has been delivered to your home address. Then you will click the I have an issue button on that seller's screen. You will then need to provide proof about the item that's damaged or let's say any reason you have for returning it. And then when you're ready, you'll click on Send to Seller to submit a refund request. And once you submit it, your order will be suspended to keep your money safe until the issue is resolved. You'll then talk to the seller to find a resolution and to see if you can get a refund, a partial refund, or just um, anything like that. You'll need to return any reported items in time to get a refund for them. So make sure to be mindful of all of those things. Again, I have an issue, provide proof, and then talk to the seller. Those are the three main steps in order to return your item. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.